Hi, everyone. I'm Christina Gullo.
And I'm Carrie Byer.
We are members of the New York State Trial Academy Associate Board. We are pleased to present you with a project that we have fondly named Special Term.
Both beginning our legal careers in Western New York, Christina and I recently bonded over a special love of what we consider here special term. For those that are unfamiliar, special term refers to one day every 2 weeks or every month in which Supreme Court justices would invite all attorneys in the area to argue all civil motion practice in their part at the same time. This created a cattle call style gathering of a lot of attorneys from across the legal community here. And it also lasted for hours. As young attorneys here in Western New York, Christina and I were sent to these meetings to go and argue cases that our partners or older attorneys frankly didn't want to go to. You would wait all morning for your case to be called. But in the meantime, you would get to watch as a young attorney, different lawyers and different judges handle a wide variety of cases from across the spectrum of legal trial practice. Quite frankly, it was an invaluable experience for us in the growth of our own practice to see how different lawyers handled these types of issues.
As the implications of the COVID-19 pandemic transformed open court proceedings into virtual proceedings, we realized that the next generation of lawyers were missing out on something that was truly quite pivotal in our educational careers and professional careers. So from this came the idea of keeping the educational aspects of special term alive while adapting to the new normal of virtual court proceedings. Our intention is to open special term proceedings to the public in a cost-free way to allow law students and young lawyers to watch live civil motion arguments to better improve their own practice and skill sets.
Now, these arguments are going to be coming to you live. They won't be recorded and they're not going to be stored. So if you're a young lawyer or a law student or frankly a veteran of trial practice and you want to watch, make sure that you pay attention to the Academy's social media accounts on Facebook and Twitter to know when these arguments are going to be streamed. We'd like to extend a special thanks to our judges who have given us permission to enter into their virtual courtrooms to watch these arguments. We'd like to thank the attorneys that are going to be actually participating in these arguments. And of course, we'd like to thank the Academy for giving us the opportunity to welcome you all into special term. So keep an eye on the Facebook, keep an eye on the Twitter, and when it's time, welcome to special term.